STEM Gulf Coast STEM Saturday in Biloxi, and we're doing boats. So the students are learning about buoyancy and density, and they're going to build their own boats. So we're doing all our hands-on activities, and it's been a good time. And I'd like to thank our sponsor, the DoD, for sponsoring the event today.
So when I squeeze it, the air pressure makes it go down.
Right behind you?
So you put sugar in it, and then like it has to be like you're counting by twos. So yellow, green, blue. You put the one with the most sugar on the bottom, and then you just go up. But it has to be like tilted when you pour the liquid in. And so the blue's on the bottom because it had the most sugar. It had 8, and then the green one had 6, and the yellow didn't have any at all. The blue one is way more dense than the others.
We love STEM. Every time we have these events, they just, expand his brain, expand his horizons. He just loves learning new things. Say, do it. It's free. It's not that far from home. They have so many things going on. Everything here is it's just fun. The kids are loving it.
Build the fan, and I like to learn stuff that's here. It's gonna move like the air. It's gonna go forward. So this is gonna go forward because this is air. You can feel it right here. So it can go forward because this thing is moving, and so the wind pushes it forward.
Don't push it. Blow into the sail, right there.